What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. So in today's video we're talking about the giveaway that MobileTrans has currently where you can win the brand new iPhone 13. The giveaway is still available but only for 3 days. So if you want to participate you should definitely do so now. Because the rules are actually pretty simple. Basically all you have to do in order to qualify in the draw is to pick out your favorite iPhone 13 color, for example by pressing in here and then of course selecting the perfect one here. Now I'm gonna select basically this green and press continue. Now you have to input your full name in here and your email and of course press save. I'm gonna do that off camera. So as you can see that's basically my data and I'm gonna press save here. And now at this point you have entered in the draw. You can see here that you have indeed got your 10 entries. So that's basically what you need to do, but there are only 3 days left. You have 10 entries. This is a total in here. Now apart from this giveaway they also have the 30% off for their data transfer tools. For example for the MobileTrans WhatsApp transfer, for the phone transfer which can transfer contacts and photos and music and so on, and then for the MobileTrans with full features. But yeah, that's basically it with the giveaway if you want to participate. The terms and conditions of the giveaway are available in here. You can read absolutely everything in here, but do keep in mind that there is no purchase necessary in order to enter or to win. And purchasing any of their products right now will not increase your chances to win. What will increase your chances to win is to visit MobileTrans on Facebook, to visit their YouTube channel, and of course to share with the hashtag MobileTrans iPhone 13 on Twitter. Each one would give 1 entry for you. So if I was you, I would definitely go ahead and try my luck. There are 3 days left in order to get the brand new iPhone 13. So definitely try your luck in there and definitely check out their 30% off for their data transfer tools. Now speaking of data transfer, MobileTrans actually has a ton of features for backupping and restoring your device, for transferring data between iPhones, transferring WhatsApp data for example, creating backups and restoring them to different devices, backupping from the phone to the computer and vice versa. And it does support iPhone and Android, and it does support iOS and Android, so that's definitely great. Now for WhatsApp, they do have a special tool created which allows you to transfer WhatsApp data from phone to phone. And you can definitely use this one to transfer, for example, from Android to iPhone, all your data from WhatsApp, including chats, videos, images, audio, emojis, attachments, and so on. Now, if you want to transfer, for example, from Android to iPhone, all you have to do is to basically use an USB OTG adapter, which allows you to connect the iPhone to the Android device. That way, Wondershare WhatsApper, which is basically the program used for that, will be able to transfer the data from one device to another. It's actually pretty simple to use, and it supports Android 7.0 or higher and iOS 9 or higher. So it's actually pretty great because it means that you can easily transfer your data from one device to another. Now the MobileTrans itself also has this option. You can also transfer WhatsApp stuff with it. As you can see from here, it says transfer, backup and restore your WhatsApp data with MobileTrans. The part of MobileTrans that does this is MobileTrans WhatsApp transfer, and you can even try it for free. It's compatible with Windows and even Mac OS. Now in order to install it, you would basically press try it in here and you're going to get the zip file. You can open it, and the installation on Mac OS is actually pretty simple. You open the installer that they have and of course you press install. You may be asked for the password for the current user on the device, but that's basically it. It will download the necessary components for MobileTrans and you will be able to use it with no problem. And you can see that the installation is now complete and the program will start. So MobileTrans looks like this. You can do WhatsApp transfer, phone transfer, and many other things. For WhatsApp transfer you would go in here, and it supports WhatsApp of course, but it also supports WhatsApp for Business. It supports Line, Viber, Kik, and even WeChat. So this tool does actually support multiple data transfer and of course data backup methods. So definitely check that one out, and definitely check out their giveaway. It's still running up until September 30th, but after that you will not be able to participate anymore. Now I think they will actually announce their winners here on the website, but also on the MobileTrans on Facebook. So definitely check out their page in there, give them a like, and yeah, definitely try it out and good luck. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace out.